In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an attachment input to your DocuSign template. This feature is incredibly useful when you want recipients to provide additional documentation easily. Whether it's for contracts, agreements, or any other type of document requiring supporting files, an attachment input can streamline the process significantly. To begin, you'll first need to navigate to the input field editor of the template you've selected. This is where you'll manage all the input fields your recipients will interact with. On the left panel of the editor, you will see a comprehensive list of available input fields. These are the building blocks you can use to customize your document and gather information efficiently. What we're looking for specifically is the attachment field. As you scroll down through the list, keep an eye out for this option. It might be located towards the bottom, depending on how long the list is or how it's organized. Once you've found the attachment field, simply drag and drop it onto your document. This action adds it as an input field, where your recipients can upload and attach files directly. After placing the attachment input field in your document, it's crucial to review its placement. You can do this by clicking on the Preview button. This will allow you to see how the document looks from the perspective of the recipient, ensuring that everything is clear and accessible. Take a moment to assess whether the input field is placed conveniently and aligns with the overall layout of your document. Once you're satisfied with the placement and appearance of the attachment field, you're ready for the final step. Now, you can proceed to send the document to your recipients. With the attachment input field in place, they will have the capability to attach necessary files, making the signing process more efficient and comprehensive. And that's all there is to it. By incorporating an attachment input field into your DocuSign template, you enhance the document's functionality, making it easier to collect all necessary information from your recipients. This can be a game changer for many types of documents and forms you work with. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to explore other input fields and features within DocuSign to further tailor your documents to your specific needs.